Hi friends, today I will show you how to make money in 11 ways while traveling. Please try to watch this video fully. Please to touch the subscribe button and press the bell button. Click the like button.
Disclaimer. This video is full and fully education and information purpose only. This video prepared from internet. We are not forced to this method. Decisions are your own risks. If there is any problem, we are not response for that.
Let us admit that deep down inside we all are sick and tired of doing our monotonous jobs and just want to break free. All we want to do is visit new places, explore and have fun, isn't it? But leaving the job and traveling is not too good an idea unless you're blessed with endless money, which is quite hypothetical for most of us, by the way. Has the thought, I wish I could make money by traveling, or, I need a job where I am paid to travel, or maybe, how can I start traveling even though I do not have enough savings? Crossed your mind? We are pretty sure they have. If all you want to do is travel around the country or world and make money while doing so, you need to read this, Wanderers. Join an NGO. Did you know that associating yourself with NGOs can actually fill your pocket while giving you the opportunity to work? That's right. If you want to do something for the betterment of people and the society overall, you may just be up for regular trips to different parts of the country. For the uninformed, NGOs work within a specific city and across the country too. Humanitarian work and traveling at the same time. Yes please. Maintain travel blogs. No points for guessing how being a travel blogger can take you places. The amount of time and patience required to maintain a blog is much more than people can imagine. But guess what? It is all worth the effort. If you are looking for some extra cash to help fund a part of your trips, start maintaining a social media handle to keep the world informed about your adventures. Who knows, you may strike a chance to work for some of the biggest travel websites. Sell art and craft at local markets. In a country like India, the small-scale industries such as handicraft are on the losing side, thanks to the exploitation by the middlemen and machine-made readily available products. Feeling bad about it? Here's how you can make a difference and make money on the move. Connect to the people who actually craft those unique showpieces, paintings and other stuff and buy it from them. Next, you may set up a stall and sell those items at profit. Explore different places while learning about different sorts of regional art and craft. Capture and sell. How many times have you scrolled through your social media feed and envied the photographers for their work life? Many times, we know. If you have a good understanding about the ticky-tacky details and have a creative eye, you should go click awesome photographs. You could possibly sell out your snaps to numerous travel magazines or maybe the companies that have photography collections. If you aren't convinced to sell them, maintain a social media handle and post a bite from your vacations regularly. Who knows? You may have a huge fan following soon that will ultimately turn you into a social media influencer. Become a travel buddy. Know a great deal about the places around the city. Try your hands on becoming a travel buddy and show around tourists who come to these destinations. If you are good at people skills, you can quickly gain fame and money from foreign as well as domestic travelers. Who thought that having expertise like this could come in handy in fetching you money while traveling? And if the tourists are kind enough, they may even take you along for a city trip, amazing chance to earn better. All gain without much pain. Do freelancing. Do you have a creative streak within you? Come on, explore yourself and bring out the creative writer or designer. Take up jobs such as freelance writing or designing and simply work online for a few hours a day, make money and travel freely for the rest of the day. There are a lot of organizations out there who hire freelancers and pay per word to write articles and blog posts for them. Good use of creative skills on the move, what say? Deliver stuff. Sounds like a vague job. But this one can actually help you make money while you are planning your itinerary. Do you have your own vehicle or perhaps a rented commute? That's all that you'll need to hit the road. After packing enough, if you are left with some space in your car, pick up parcels from people and deliver it to different places on your way. You'll be amazed at how you don't have to invest much, still have a job and earn easy money. Bonus points. You may find out new places and get to explore them all while delivering things. Become a part-time model. Are you confident about your looks and consider yourself really good looking? Time to make use of those killer looks, folks. Did you know that modeling is one of the highest in demand jobs that simply requires you to work for a few hours? Make optimum use of social media and find out the photographers, makeup artists or local modeling agencies that are looking for people available for short photo shoots. Try hands at bartending. Always bragged about your mixology skills in front of your friends and family. Why not take it up as a job? If you've got the right kind of mixology skills and have no issues in going around a restaurant or a pub pouring drinks or simply being at the bar and making dazzling cocktails, become a bartender. This way you can travel throughout the day and be at your job by the evening. If nothing else, you'll be able to enjoy the best of nightlife at the places you visit. Turn into a small-scale entrepreneur. Do you have a hobby that can be turned into a small business idea? How about trying it out to make money? It may be a huge hit or simply fetch you enough to pay your hotel and food bills. Either way, it is worth taking the risk. If you go through the travel accounts of foreigners, you'll find out that they take up businesses such as making bracelets, candles and other knick-knacks while touring different countries. Disc jockey. Are you the kind of music addict who never travels without the music equipment? We have spotted just the right job for you. Clubs, bars and resto bars are always on the lookout for people who can keep their customers entertained for longer durations. The best part of this job. Most of the DJs are required to work only during the evening till late night, which leaves you with an entire day to travel places around. And if you are lucky enough, you may score free drinks at the bar. What better way to make use of your passion than earning money out of it? Become a street performer. Are you good at tap dancing, guitar, drums or any other similar art? How about making quick bucks out of it by showing them off in public arena? Take cues from other performers in and around the same region and jazz up your performance by adding a new twist to it. After all, novelty is always appreciated. And by the way, did we tell you that many celebrities we have in the industry began with similar small stints? This may be your way of striking luck by chance. Work in a resort or a hotel. If there is one industry that always needs more staff, it has got to be the hotel industry. There are plenty of different work profiles in a hotel or resort, such as a receptionist, housekeeping, hotel manager and so on. Take up a part-time job here and keep exploring the city without worrying about funds. Brainstorm a bit. Thinking smart will always get you going for something better, and we couldn't agree more. Come up with business models as simple as living off commission by bringing business to, let's say, local tour operators by recommending them to foreigners and travelers. Simple living, great savings. Put on your thinking cap, dig out those genius ideas and find the most creative ways to earn money. The possibilities of which all activities can be taken up to make money while satiating your infinite wanderlust is endless. All you need to do is set your travel goals and work on them in the right direction. I will hope you to watch this video fully. If you don't understand this video, please try to watch this video again. Please to touch the subscribe button and press the bell button, click the like button. Thanks for watching this video.